How to run disk cleanup on Windows 11. To open disk cleanup, click on the Start menu and type disk cleanup on the search bar. Then click on the disk cleanup app. Once disk cleanup is open, it will ask you to select the drive you want to clean up. If you have multiple drives, select the one that you want to clean up and click OK. After selecting the drive, disk cleanup will scan your drive for unnecessary files that can be safely deleted. Once the scan is complete, it will display a list of files that can be deleted. This list includes temporary files, system files, and other type of files. You can select which files you want to delete by checking the corresponding boxes. If you are not sure which files to delete, you can hover over the file type to see a brief description of what it is. If you want to clean up even more space, you can click on the Clean up System Files button. This will perform another scan, but this time it will include system files such as old Windows updates, log files, and other files that can be safely deleted. Once you have selected which files you want to delete, click on the OK button to confirm. Disk cleanup will then delete the selected files, which may take a few minutes depending on how much data you have selected. After the cleanup is complete, the disk cleanup will automatically exit. And that's how you can run disk cleanup on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.